everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I am doing a desk tour. So, this is the desk I purchased from Anchor Away 2020 on Instagram. Darren built it for me. He did a wonderful job. I love it. It is really long and beautiful. It's a very long desk. Don't mind my plants there. I am definitely putting plants in my room this time. So let's get to it. On this side, I have this little box here. Like, that's my Rascal card, so I got to clean that out. Um, I have this little box here um, for like these kind of tools like wire cutters and things and hole punches there. Then here I have my washi tape storage because someone on YouTube said to get these for their eyeglass cases, which, a lot of people have those. And I did purchase and from Amazon. Works perfectly. On top, this is something that I purchased from Tuesday Morning, this little box. And it works perfectly. I think it's like a mail holder box or something like that. And so I just use it for my journal cards and put in some notepads in the back. Don't mind that junk back there. We're still cleaning up. We're still moving in and trying to get things organized. And this pot, I did get it from Hobby Lobby, and I fill it with my washi tape because I love using old pots for washi tape. Then underneath, is more washi tape in there. This little bowl here is filled with my washi tape and some cloth washi tape. Then this is just a little box I purchased from Dollar Tree, and it holds that. And I've had that for quite some while. My washi ring. This is a basket, from Dollar Tree. It's a lot of people have that little basket. It's $1 that works great for me. Then over here, these um, drawer things come from Hobby Lobby. They're great for storage. I have once I cleaned up, I had a little storage space right there, so I can find something else to put in that spot. Then back here, I think I purchased that from either Marshall's or Home Goods, somewhere like that. And I use it to store all of my stamps. Um, it works great. I love it. It's functional for me. I go through it and get all of my stamps. Now my wooden stamps I have here, and I have some on the wall on the other side. I can't show you because my room is too messy for that. So we'll just move on to this tray I purchased from Michael's, and a lot of this stuff in here I just got it off of AliExpress. I have some wax to wax your thread in here for book binding and things like that. It's just a lot of little whatnots, things that I purchased from AliExpress, and I keep my inks in here. This box fits perfectly in this little crate, so that's where I decided to keep my inks. Now above, I do have some washi tape on this shelf, and I do need to clean off the other 3 shelves and kind of organize those a little bit more. So we are moving on. This is my little heater to heat this room. It works as a spot heater though. Like, you have to be sitting right in front of it for it to work. Now, this is really a new item in my craft room. This is the original. This is how it looks originally. And it's a bamboo um, coffee compartment holder. So you would go to like restaurants or whatever stores, and they would have the coffee creamer, the sugar, sweet and low, things like that in these trays. Well, you can get these off of Best Buy. They're called Mind Reader 6 compartment or something like some kind of compartment thing for coffee condiments. And I use it for, I purchased it for this purpose, and I was hoping that it would fit my 4x6 cards, but it doesn't. It's too high in the back here, and it's too small here. So it doesn't fit the larger journal cards, but it does fit the smaller ones, and then I was able to put those in. It will fit your sticker sheet, but they sit up kind of high, so that's probably not what I would do with it. And then I used the other one, which I spray painted. And what I did, let me see if I could find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I used this spray paint here, and I did 3 coats of it, and it works really good. It did an excellent job to me. My daughter, she didn't want me to spray paint it. She said she liked the color, but once I did, she really liked that. So this one I use to keep all of my tools that I mainly grab when I'm doing my journals or any kind of craft projects. Then this is the We Are Memory Keepers, the guillotine. This is my, and they did come out with a I think they're coming out with the larger size one, and I really need to get that. This thing is really sharp. It works great. I love it, and I might get the larger one. Now, this is just my mug holder that I made. Then we moving along, and we have the silhouette here. I mean, yeah, my my silhouette cameo. I was gonna say something, but I was like, no, that don't worry about that. This is my silhouette cameo. Yes, it's the older model silhouette cameo, and I'm trying to get this video posted before the sun comes up too much, because once it comes up, I won't get a great shot. Um, I decorate with stickers all over it. I'm hoping to get the Silhouette Pro. The only thing I do not like about my Silhouette is that the customer service from the company. I love the product, absolutely love it, and I'm really hoping to get the Silhouette Pro if the funds are right. And um, but the customer service, when you reach out to them, it's like impossible to get in touch with anyone when you have problems with the machine or you trying to learn how to use it. It's, it's not great. It's like, here, yeah, this is a cutting machine, here you go. I would like more in-depth, maybe I just haven't found out how to get that in-depth learning of how to use the machine, but usually I would have to go to other people that uses it and ask questions, which that's not very good for um, customer service to me. That's not very good customer service. So moving on this end of my desk, like I made that little stuffed animal. Well, it's not a stuffed animal, it's a little doll, and I like to make those out of little scrap materials that I have, because I think they like have a little personality to sit there on your desk looking at you. Then I do have my weight machine, and this is mainly where I just do my work here. Then come around, I have a basket filled with notepads, because I can't stop buying notepads. It's like I have to have more notepads, and obviously I can't stop buying washi tape either. So then this is where I keep my journals and planners and things like that that I am working on, which I'm not quite working on anything right now. And here comes the sun. The sun is coming up. This is my planner here, my planner bag. And this is some little like note cards here that I kind of like stuffed in there. So that is my desk tour. I hope that you all have enjoyed it. And right now, I am getting ready to start like gardening. I'm trying to get some seeds in because I really want to get back into gardening. I did it as a little girl, and now I am wanting, well, I did it as an adult a few occasions, but I really want to teach my children how to garden. And I am going to be working on a garden journal. So please stay tuned to my channel for more updates and details. Thank you for watching, and thank you more importantly for supporting my channel. Till next time, bye bye.